In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guides on Canva to help create a more precise and professional design layout. Whether you're a seasoned Canva user or just getting started, understanding how to use guides can drastically improve your design workflow by helping you align text, images, and other elements perfectly every time. First, let's dive right in and open up Canva. Once you have your design ready on the screen, you'll want to locate the File option. It's typically found in the upper left corner of the Canva interface. Clicking on File will unveil a drop-down menu with several options. Don't worry if you find the list a bit overwhelming at first, it's packed with useful tools to enhance your design possibilities. Now within this drop-down you'll find the Settings option. Instead of directly clicking on it, just hover your mouse over Settings. This action will display an additional submenu. It's like opening a little toolbox within the larger menu, providing more specific customization options tailored to your design needs. This hover tip can save you time and streamline the process as you navigate through Canva's various features. In the Settings submenu, you'll see the Show Rulers and Guides option. Go ahead and click on it. By turning this feature on, you'll activate rulers that run along the borders of your design canvas, providing more structured boundaries. You will also find guides that you can freely drag from these rulers onto your design. These guides are movable straight lines that can be used to help align elements to your exact specifications. To add these guides, simply click and drag from the ruler and position it wherever you need on the canvas. If you need vertical alignment, drag from the top ruler. For horizontal alignment, drag from the side. And remember, these guides won't show up in your final design when you download or print it. They are purely for your visual aid during the creation process. Setting these guides right where you want them will help ensure everything lines up just perfectly. This step is particularly useful for those intricate designs involving multiple components where symmetry and alignment can make all the difference. Additionally, using guides can be a major time saver, removing the guesswork from trying to manually align different design elements. Once you master these steps, you'll find creating balanced and well-aligned designs becomes almost second nature. So take your time practicing with these tools and watch as they enhance your design experience, ultimately leading to a more visually appealing and professional looking end product. If you need to adjust your guides, you can simply click and drag them as required, ensuring flexibility in your designs. Enjoy your new streamlined design process with the help of guides on Canva.